Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by backing up your device and collecting account credentials so nothing is lost. Once done, disable location locks and sign out of services that tie region metadata because those often block changes. Next, review subscriptions and payment methods. Changing region can alter pricing and availability. Now open System, Settings, and locate Region or Country Controls to start the actual switch. This initiates the process and surfaces any immediate account conflicts to resolve. You now handle the complex middle steps. Update your account country in the central account portal and set a matching billing address so purchases validate. Then change the App Store or Marketplace region, making sure to remove or archive region-locked content that won't transfer. If the service requires a local payment method, add a verified card or use a temporary local payment. This satisfies checks. Make sure to sync and restart apps so entitlement and license flags refresh across the device. You finish by restarting the device and signing back into all accounts to allow servers to register the new region. Once restarted, verify access to region-specific apps, subscriptions, and purchases so you confirm success. If content or services still show the old region, clear app cache and re-authenticate, or update payment details again because stale tokens block changes. If problems persist, revert region temporarily and repeat steps while noting which check failed. This isolates the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.